guys, Er.Shivam Shukla. Welcome you all to TechPoint YouTube channel. I am going to bring video tutorials for you all on Python. In this course, you are going to learn everything you need to know for programming in Python. So before we start, I would like to tell you that why everyone should learn programming. Because today's world is digital, and in digital world, everything is programmed. Technology is present everywhere. As per an article, the companies across the world are moving to a digitized format of running their business. Already over 90% of the jobs that humans used to do in the past has been taken up over by the computers. So it has become important to code if you want to tackle the computer. If you want to implement your idea, you need to know how to code in computer. As Steve Jobs said, that everyone should learn how to code because it teaches you how to think. It makes you creative. Now, if you want to learn code, then why you should begin with Python? Because it is one of the most easiest language. It is also one of the fastest growing programming languages and the second most popular one overall. It's also an open source, so anybody can download and get started with it. And it's a high level enough so that it's easy for beginners. Now, what is Python actually? Python is a high level general purpose programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Its language construct and object-oriented approach helps programmer to write clear logical code. According to an article in Business Insider, the 10 fastest growing programming languages according to Microsoft owned GitHub includes Python. Now we'll move to some applications of Python. Its applications include robotics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analysis, and many more like web development. So if you want to work in these technologies, then Python learning has become very important for you. Now who all can watch these tutorials? This tutorial is basically for everyone. Either you are a school student who is very new to coding or a college student who has learned C or any other languages and want to learn Python. Or you are a professional who want to brush up or clear his or her basics. What are you going to achieve from this course? This is a major part of this lecture. By the end of this course, you will be able to code confidently in Python. You will also know how to get free certification for Python from renowned universities like University of Michigan and others. At the last, you will also know how Python is used in IT companies. So if you are looking for a job, you could become industry ready. We will also have a separate video for job interview questions related to Python programming, because Python is one of the most favorite topic of interviews. Now we will discuss the learning path of our program. Unless and until we know the path of our journey, we could not reach our destination. So it's important to know our learning path. I would like to tell you that we will start from ABC of programming in Python and take you to the pro level of coding. We will also have short quizzes at the end of every video. At the end of this course, we will make a project using Python which will help you to implement your knowledge. The topics which we are going to cover in this course will be the Python basics, operators, calculations, string, loops and conditional, function, list tuple, dictionary sets, and all you need to know about Python. I would like to end with a beautiful quote that the most important thing is being passionate about what you are doing and always give it your all. That is the key to success. At last, I would like to see you guys in the upcoming videos. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And press the bell icon to get the notification for new video.
Subscribe now. Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.